Welcome to the Locking Wedge Clamp overview video. Locking wedge clamps are bolted securely in place. The locking wedge clamp pivots open and closed with no loose part. Use an Allen key to quickly lock or unlock the set screw. The locking wedge clamp uses a set screw for applications where a cable tie is not desired. The set screw locks the wedge clamp in the closed position. The locking wedge clamp never has to be removed and allows guards to be installed and removed with ease. They are a no-hassle installation mechanism. Guards can be easily removed for maintenance or inspection. Our locking wedge clamps are zinc plated for durability with stainless steel options available. Please note the set screw when tightened in the closed position ensures compliance to OSHA and Canadian regulatory standards that require a tool to remove.